You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh. This body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel relate, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through the beat. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. The bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine.
Alright, so one thing I wanna let y'all know is I have 2 crochet needles. And their difference in the both of these is this one I use for smaller hairs, so you can see that one, and then this one I use for bigger hairs, bigger crochet hairs. Hold on, let me just put them right by each other, but if my camera will focus. So you see this one is the bigger one, and this is the one I'm using today, and I'm using it for the bigger crochet hair because to me it just fits on there better. You see that? It just fits on there better.
Original.
Just say no. Just say yeah.
Body nice. See I got them girls, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her when she go low, say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her when she go low, bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome to Alicia Jones fam. I do hauls, I do crochet videos, I do wig videos, protective styles, vlogs, occasionally. But yeah, y'all, if you're new here, welcome. What's up? How you doing? Okay guys, so in today's video, as you can see, I installed Freetress Fluffy Wand Curl. This is in the color number 2, and I used, I'm gonna say 2.5 packs. I bought 3 packs from a local beauty supply at $9.99 a pack. And this is what I have left. That's the amount of hair I have left. This hair is really easy to install. Now for this hair, what I like to do, I have 2 crochet needles, and you know, one's a bigger hook than the other. So I use the bigger hook for my bigger crochet bands, and I already explained that earlier in the video. But $9.99, this hair is really easy to install. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's curly, it's bouncy. I love all that, and it's big. I love big curly hair. Now what I did in the back is I splitted the hair once in the back, and as I got a little bit closer up to the front, I started splitting the hair 3 times. Okay, so this is one of my favorite, like, wand curl, what else do you call it, like perm rod style, like hair type hairstyles with crochet by Freetress. Y'all know Freetress, for me, they can kind of do no wrong. Like, I love all of their crochet hair basically. But yeah, this is the hair once you split it. Now if you choose not to split it, you're gonna need more than 3 packs. So, but I knew that I was gonna be splitting the hair when I bought it, so that's why I went on ahead and split the hair. So yeah, that is the hair. It's soft. It mimics what my 4C hair would be if I was to put it in perm rods. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions about this hair, please do not hesitate to let me know in the comments down below. You know, I love talking to you guys. I love answering your questions and stuff like that. Also, let me know what other videos do y'all want to see from me. It's about to be summertime. You know, I could do a few hauls. I'm trying to get this body slim and right and tight. But yeah, y'all, I'm starting to ramble. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in to this one. And stay tuned for some more videos. I got this It's My Ray Ray makeup look I did. You know, I got on some lashes. Got some lashes. But yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.